Benefits of chiropractic adjustment. 5 benefits of chiropractic adjustments. Chiropractic care has a long history, with roots in ancient practices. Spinal alignment's importance has been recognized for centuries. Chiropractic adjustments offer numerous benefits beyond just addressing joint pain. Here are 5 key advantages. Benefits of chiropractic adjustment. Pain reduction. Chiropractic adjustments can be a valuable tool in managing chronic pain, particularly back pain, neck pain, and sciatica. This drug-free approach helps the body heal by restoring motion to individual vertebrae that may be restricted. Improved movement brings nutrients to the area and prevents degeneration. Furthermore, it optimizes nerve function. Since nerves transmit signals from the brain to every part of the body, proper alignment ensures these signals are effectively communicated, promoting healing and overall function. Headache relief. Chiropractic care can be highly effective in alleviating chronic headaches, including tension headaches and migraines. Often, these headaches stem from restricted movement in the skull, specifically the atlas bone. Adjustments to this area can significantly reduce headache frequency and intensity. Enhanced digestive function. The connection between chiropractic care and digestion might not be immediately obvious. However, the vagus nerve, which runs from the upper cervical spine to the digestive tract, plays a crucial role in regulating the parasympathetic nervous system. This system controls digestion, among other functions. Stress and tension in the neck or back can interfere with nerve signals. Chiropractic adjustments can help alleviate this stress, allowing the digestive system to function more efficiently. Some studies even suggest benefits for infants with colic and individuals with acid reflux. Support for neurological conditions. Chiropractic adjustments can positively impact neurological conditions by optimizing nervous system function. By reducing stress on the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, chiropractic care allows the body to operate at its best. Some individuals with conditions like multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's, tics, and tremors have reported improvements following chiropractic treatment. It helps to reset the balance between the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. Blood pressure management. Research indicates that chiropractic adjustments may be effective in lowering blood pressure naturally. Studies have shown that this approach can be as effective as some medications. Chiropractors focusing on wellness and the upper cervical region, particularly the atlas bone, can address nerve pathways that influence heart function. Additionally, correcting forward head posture, a common issue due to desk work and cell phone use, can reduce stress on the spine and nerves, further contributing to healthy blood pressure levels. What toxins are released after chiropractic adjustment? While the primary focus of chiropractic adjustments is on musculoskeletal alignment and nerve function, some patients report feeling a release of tension and sometimes even emotional release after an adjustment. This isn't necessarily a release of physical toxins in the traditional sense, but rather a reduction in stress and improved circulation, which can support the body's natural detoxification processes. Improved nerve function may also enhance the function of organs involved in detoxification. Chiropractic benefits and disadvantages. Chiropractic care offers numerous benefits, including pain relief, headache reduction, improved digestion, support for neurological conditions, and blood pressure management. It is a drug-free and non-invasive approach. Disadvantages of chiropractic. While generally safe, chiropractic care does carry some potential risks. These can include mild discomfort or soreness after an adjustment, similar to what you might experience after exercise. In rare cases, more serious complications like nerve damage or stroke have been reported, though these are extremely uncommon. Chiropractic care may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain underlying health conditions like severe osteoporosis or spinal instability. Chiropractic treatment price. The cost of chiropractic treatment varies depending on the location, the chiropractor's experience, and the type of treatment needed. Some insurance plans cover chiropractic care, while others may not. It's best to consult with a chiropractor's office and your insurance provider to understand the costs involved. Long-term benefits of chiropractic care. Consistent chiropractic care can contribute to long-term well-being by maintaining proper spinal alignment, optimizing nerve function, and promoting overall health. This can lead to improved posture, reduced pain, increased mobility, and a better quality of life. Surprising benefits of chiropractic care. Beyond the more commonly known benefits, chiropractic care can offer surprising advantages, such as improved sleep, increased energy levels, and even enhanced immune function. These benefits are often related to the interconnectedness of the nervous system and the body's overall health. Does chiropractic adjustments really work? Numerous studies have investigated the effectiveness of chiropractic adjustments, and many have demonstrated positive results for various conditions, particularly musculoskeletal pain. While research continues, the experiences of many patients and the existing body of evidence suggest that chiropractic care can be a valuable treatment option. How do chiropractors know where to adjust? Chiropractors use a variety of diagnostic methods to determine where to adjust the spine. These methods include physical examination, reviewing medical history, and sometimes utilizing imaging techniques like X-rays. They assess posture, range of motion, and palpate the spine to identify areas of restriction or misalignment. This information helps them develop a personalized treatment plan for each patient.